Today we are installing a dishwasher drain connection to our existing kitchen sink drain using this special tailpiece. Welcome back to another video by the building expert team. We will start by removing the waste arm pipe by loosening the nut on the T and strainer. Make sure to save the flat washer from the strainer side and beveled washer from the T side, because we are gonna need them once we install everything back together. To install this tailpiece with dishwasher connection, slide the nut and beveled washer onto the tailpiece and tight the tailpiece into the T. Make sure the dishwasher connection is facing upwards. The next step is to install the waste arm. But before that, we need to cut it to correct length. To do so, I am positioning it under the drain, as I want it to be when installed, and marking the length using a marker. Normally, if you measure from center of the strainer to the face of the tailpiece and cut to that length, the length will work just fine. Once you are satisfied, use a hacksaw or hacksaw to cut the pipe. Make sure to ream the inside of the pipe and bevel the outer edge for a smooth finish. Now remove the nut and washer from the tailpiece and slide them on the waste arm, making sure the beveled end of the washer is facing towards the tailpiece. Now slide the waste arm into the tailpiece and tight everything together. Do not forget the flat washer on the strainer side. I will put links to all the material used in the description below. This completes our drain installation. The last step in the process is to install the dishwasher drain pipe. Put a gear clamp at the end of the dishwasher hose and slide it on the tailpiece connection. And tight the gear clamp. Ends of dishwasher hose connections are designed to cut to different sizes. Make sure that it's cut to the correct size so that it matches with the tailpiece. That's all for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.